Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and as you read the title, today I'm going to tell you how to make a good Flight Rising outfit. So I'm going to start with my boy Enchantment, because he desperately needs an outfit. So my vision for him is something like windy, maybe crystally, something with fire because of those like solar flame candles, not solar flame, well they're candles, they're like recolors of the solar flame, and I thought they looked really good with him. I thought I could like use the new event items, and to balance all the green and blue, and to not cover his eyes because look at those eyes. Just look at them. They can't be covered. Now before I get started with the outfit, there's a few things that I want you guys to know before you make an outfit. So number one is that you should probably like use a lot of items to make it look kind of full, but keep those items down to cheap. Like flower falls are pretty cheap, I'm pretty sure. The flame candles that I've already talked about are pretty cheap and work pretty well. The halos are pretty expensive, but they also work really well as well. Number two is that you should stick to a theme. For example, Oracle, Fighter. Oracle should have a bunch of like mist and jewels and mystical stuff, while Fighter should have like cleavers and stuff like that. Maybe bloody bandages. And the last tip from me is that always match the colors of the dragon. If you don't, then it'll end up looking something like this. And you don't want that, do you? Right? You want your dragons to look good. So always match colors, and this will look something like this. Okay, now that we're done with the tips, it's time to get started on enchantment. So he's already wearing a cloak that I want to keep and incorporate in his outfit, so let's go to the dressing room now. So the first thing I'm going to do now that we're here is incorporate his apparel because, like I said, I wanted to keep the cape. And I don't know exactly what the new items are called, so I'm going to go check. Okay, Airborne. I don't know. That's a very weird way to spell that. Let's see if it pops up. And it's right there, but you can't see it. Alright, so we've added the halo and stuff, and he's already looking a lot better. So now we're going to go to the auction house and see if we can find a good accent for him, because I'm sure there's gotta be something here. And lo and behold, the perfect accent. It's windy, it's nice, it's not too over the top. I think it's great. So let's copy and paste this into where it says out of skin. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to have the hashtag. Okay. So now he's looking even better. So now I'm gonna search for the candles. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go on over to apparel. Do I have these candles or not? Yep, lo and behold, I have them. Okay, let's go make his outfit. So I just equipped all the items and bought the accent, and he is looking stunning. It's kind of hard to believe that outfit's only 4 items, but there's another victim who needs an outfit very badly. Dust. Oh goodness, where do I even start? Okay, this bird skull is way too dark, and now we're gonna hit in a bunch of these. Okay, yeah, that cobalt deep blue skull thing's too dark. I'm not really feeling this fedora. I think the glasses. I think we're keeping the glasses for the head item. And there's this tail item. I think it's called Tail Tatters. It's from Volcanic Vents. Oh, yes, right here. So oh, that looks really good. I'm definitely keeping that. And so he's looking pretty good. I like his aesthetic so far with all the ribbons and stuff. So now I'm going to see what body item's best. This is too dark. Ooh, I think we might go with that. I really like it. This pendant you can barely see, so definitely not that. This is not the right color. Oh, whoops. And this is definitely not the right color as well. So I think I'm going to go with this filigree breastplate. Yeah, maybe I should add a flower fall thing. Yup. So here he is, and if you're wondering why the flower fall is a different color than the red one that I showed you, well, so
So yeah, the purple one it is. But I think that this outfit is pretty good. The colors are relatively matching other than the scarf. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.